I cannot believe I'm making this video. I'm so sad that I had to discontinue Go Off, and it is not coming. Not coming back. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so incredibly special because this is about Go Off. It is officially back. I am so excited to tell you that it is coming back. I have so many emotions right now regarding this relaunch because 5 years ago, we launched One Size Beauty. I was working on the brand in 2019. We launched in 2020. And 2020, if you guys know, you know, and Go Off was our very, very first product. It is so crazy. 5 years later, we are relaunching it again. If you guys didn't know, it got discontinued. It just didn't perform well. I think it was bad timing. Others may argue that it was just a bad product, but looking through my DMs, looking through my comments, looking at emails, people have asked for this back and have mentioned that this is one of the best products that they've ever used. Out of every single product that I have ever created, I genuinely mean that this is my favorite product ever. The reasoning behind it, you can never redo your first. So I think when launching my first ever product, I wanted a product to represent who we are as a brand. And it was a little bit confusing to see a makeup brand launch with a makeup remover, but it represented so much by starting off with a clean face and then building a bunch of products from that very first starting point. And as you guys know, we're known for our loose ultimate setting powders, our very, very viral Until Dawn waterproof setting spray, our Point Made liquid liner, our cheek clappers. We've collaborated with Disney and Wicked, and it's just crazy to think that this started it all and it is officially back. Sorry to go off on like a emotional tangent, but I love you guys on YouTube. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. It is limited edition. I'll explain at the very end for the business tea as to why this is limited edition, but it is back better than ever because I had some girlfriends mistake this for Until Dawn and have actually removed their makeup. It was kind of like a little bit of TikTok internet drama, people spraying this thinking it was a setting spray. What's crazy is that through those accidents, it was kind of like a revelation for us to test if it could remove wig adhesive. So I said, let's take it back to the lab, let's run some tests, and let's just see what comes back. And it got approved that this is a wig adhesive dissolving mist as well. I introduced to you the Go Off makeup and wig adhesive dissolving mist. This is a triple threat. This can remove your wig adhesive, melt your makeup, remove your lash glue, remove waterproof makeup. And you guys know, if any brand knows waterproof makeup, it's One Size, and it's me, because I love a high performance full beat face. Out of every step of my beauty routine, removing the makeup is my absolute favorite. There are a few upgrades. I will say there is the band that says remover. Also, the packaging says makeup and wig adhesive dissolving mist, and there's also a black nozzle. So I hope that that is enough to differentiate it from our Until Dawn. When removing makeup, if you guys don't know, I'm a licensed esthetician. We learned about pre-cleansing the skin and we learned about double cleansing the skin. This, I was like, you know, it's non-stripping. There are amazing ingredients. This has jojoba oil, rose hip extract to give that beautiful, nourishing, non-stripping feel to your skin. I know this is so dramatic for a makeup remover, but this literally melts your makeup. This is also water-free, so when you spray it, it feels like nothing. If you guys just want to remove waterproof eyeliner or lip, try this out. Go Off is so good. I dropped the cap. Also, you guys, this is ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. You guys know these are not my real eyes, believe it or not. But I will be giving a demo on how to remove my wig and also my makeup. Okay, so if you wear wigs just like me, I have been getting my wig installed just to test it, but also it's not a bad idea to kind of like fill yourself with the wigs. And my hairstylist Maurice had installed this wig for me today and glued it down. So to take it off, you can shake the bottle. Well, first you wanna slay, then you wanna spray, then you just wanna go off. So those are pretty much like the 3 steps: slay, spray, go off. Then what you wanna do is spray the hairline 8 to 10 inches away. Again, it is a very lightweight mist. And then if you want, take a rat tail comb, spray that and kind of gently lift under the lace and remove the adhesive and massage it in. And the glue should kind of like dissolve and roll right off, and your wig should just slip off. Now for the makeup, same exact thing. Now that it is off, you wanna spray 8 to 10 inches away from the face. You wanna massage it in. This removes my waterproof eyeliner. It literally removes my lips, my full beat foundation, all the translucent powder. And then I like to go in either with a rag or a makeup wipe and wipe it all off. So who is this for? My wig wearers, my lazy girls and boys out there that just want something quick to remove the makeup. Don't be lazy, go off. It drops on April 4th at Sephora.com and onesizebeauty.com only. And I will say quickly, it is limited edition because according to the pandemic and our business in the past, it didn't perform as well as we would have liked. So hopefully if you guys go and support and buy this weekend, hopefully, cross our fingers, make it permanent. But as of now, as the business stands today, and speaking from a founder to all of you, that is the decision that I've had to make to respect the rest of our portfolio and the growth of the brand. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.